What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Dani Cash of the KASH Empire. Thanks for coming to watch my video. And in today's video, I am going to be discussing the 5 fastest ways for you to build your email list super fast from scratch. I am going to share with you 5 ways to take your email list from 0 all the way up to 10K plus subscribers super fast, all right, using these 5 personal tips that I use to grow my email list daily, okay? So if you want these tips, you're going to want to grab a pen and paper, take notes, and watch this video all the way to the end. But before I get started, if you are new to my channel, I like to do videos on how to build your network, grow your brand, grow your business, how to generate free traffic to your online business, a lot of tips and tricks, okay? So if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you have any questions or comments while watching this video, drop them down below and I'll be sure to respond as soon as possible. All right, so let's get into the details. So a mistake that I see marketers doing all the time is they're not growing their email list, okay? They're not on Facebook, on traffic exchanges, on Safe List, on all the places that I market. A lot of people are making the huge mistake of not growing their email list, okay? So I'm gonna show you how you can grow your email list easily, okay? This is going to be so easy, and this is the main thing that you should be doing to grow your business. All right, so the first way you can build your email list super fast is by using Facebook groups. Okay, there are tons and tons of different niche Facebook groups, and all you have to do is join these groups. For one, Facebook groups are free. Okay, and then you can target your exact niche. So when you join work from home Facebook groups and you start posting about your opportunity, you're automatically going to attract people who are interested in working from home. So to get emails from Facebook groups, what you want to make sure you're doing is posting about your business, and you want to make sure it's an attention grabbing post. Okay, you want people to comment on your post for more information. So the main thing you want to have on your post is comment down below for more info. Now, when you say comment down below for more info, when a person is interested, they're going to comment info. You see it all the time. Okay, so what you want to do is you don't want to do what the average person does. The average person automatically just sends that person a long paragraph about their business with their link, okay? Most times you don't get signups from that, and for one, you have lost the lead, okay? What you're going to do differently is you're going to ask this person for their email. And you simply say to them, hey, can you give me your email address? I just want to send you the information directly. Facebook doesn't really like my link, and they're going to give you their email. So what you can do is you can add their email to your autoresponder, or you can add it to your doc, and you'll have their email for future reference. So it may require a little bit more hands-on work, but you are bound to get their email every single time. All right, so the second way that you can grow your email list super fast is by using Facebook ads, okay? And I have a friend of mine who does this time and time again to build her email list for her businesses, and all you have to do is run your Facebook ad for a few days. Now, you don't have to spend a lot of money to do this. You can actually run your ad for a few days and set your own budget, okay? But you want to make sure when you're running an ad that you write a compelling ad, you use an attention-grabbing photo, and you make sure you add your link to your ad, okay? So when people are interested, they can click on the link, all right, and opt into your list. So this is a super great way to build a fresh list of leads, all right? And it's super useful because you don't have to do anything. You can just let Facebook do all of the work for you. Find the people, they opt into your list. Simple. All right, so I hope you found those first 2 steps useful, and if you are enjoying this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, okay? Now, the third way that you can build your email list super fast is by giving away a freebie or doing a giveaway. So people love free stuff and people love contests, and it can be pretty much anything, okay? It can be exclusive information, it could be a product, it could be, you know, an ebook, it could be a cash giveaway. As long as it's something that this person will want to give you their email address for, you know, make it that. But make sure it's directly related to your business, okay? So that way, after they opt in, you can follow up with them later on. All right, so the fourth way that you can build your email list super fast is by using a lead generation funnel system, all right? And these are pretty much platforms that are already designed for you. All you have to do is run traffic to it. Under this video, I have a few lead generation systems that I have used in the past to help build my email list. And you know, some are free and some are paid. However, what this does is it's already pre-built and it's already something that it offers that the person's going to want to enter their email address for. And you don't have to set anything up, okay? It's already a pre-designed funnel system that works for you, all right? And you can promote this on traffic exchanges, safe lists, and it saves you tons and tons of money. You don't have to create a capture page, and you don't have to go and buy anything. It's already designed for you. And most of these funnel systems collect your emails and store them in the platform and allow you to download your list. So super convenient. All right, so the fifth way that you can grow your email list super fast is by creating an affiliate product or an affiliate platform, okay? And this is one of the ways more experienced marketers build their email list super duper fast. So this is one of the more effective ways and requires way less time and effort on your part. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make sure that your platform offers something that would make people want to share. So you can pretty much create a platform with your own products, and when people start to share this platform and start inviting other people, they are automatically building your platform for you and building your email list. Okay, so you want to make sure that it's something they would want to share your platform for. So what I did on my platform is I allowed members to earn 100% commissions, okay? I made an affiliate platform with training, and I allowed them to earn 100% of the commissions. So they're earning all of their money when people join, and what they're doing is they're helping me build my list. 100% commissions works every single time. They earn all their money, you build your email list. 2 check marks. All right, so there are, of course, more ways for you to grow your email list super fast, but those would be my personal top 5 ways. Those are my go-tos. If anything were to ever happen, that's how I would regain and rebuild my subscriber list super fast, okay? That's how I went from 0 to 10K plus, 10K, 1,000 plus subscribers in less than 6 months. All right, so if you enjoyed the information that I just shared, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. All right, and if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you have any questions or comments whatsoever, drop them down below and I'll be sure to reply to them as soon as possible. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.